now tuning into Dirty Pippin. You know the vibes. Basically, this course is going to be a quick rundown, a quick starter kit, how to sign up to a broker, how to use TradingView, how to attach MetaTrader 5 to your phone. You might not know what none of those are, but we're going to get into it nice and smooth, nice and easy. Holla with your boy. Bow. Yeah, so the first step you're going to want to do is open TradingView on your desktop or phone. It doesn't matter, either you get what I'm saying. Make sure you write tradingview.com. I think they got it in the Play Store as well. I use mine, I just use the browser to get mine up, but you can use either. One might be looking like white and all that, but you can change all that. I think you go to the circle and go to dark mode. Obviously your one might look like that. I like my shit dark, I ain't gonna lie to you, so that shit hurts your eyes, bro. Yeah, so basically all these tools here, yeah, get a little look at these. You're gonna want to put them in your favorites. They all come in handy. You will be needing them. This is what you'll be seeing on the adverts and shit when you see people marking charts and doing all that jazz. But this is where it takes place. TradingView, most people use TradingView. It's a popular site. If you pay a little £13-15 a month, you can you get little perks that you can set alerts. So as you right click it, you can set alerts that go to your phone. So if you're in the gym or at work or whatever and it hits your zone or it meets your criteria, then obviously, let's just say you want your alert there. Once it reaches that area, yeah, once this red line reaches that area, it will alert your phone. Yeah, so once you right click it, the top one, notifying app, that should now alert you on your phone, so you can modify different ringtones and stuff. So once you've done that, now you're Gucci. So if I send you a trade that says let's jump into DE40, you will go to the plus sign, you will write DE40. One second, yeah, DE40. You will click anyone, really, to be fair, most of them are the same. Yeah, so if you wanted to draw a zone, which most of us do, we draw a zone. So this is support, a floor, this is resistance, a roof. If you wanted to do that, you would just click the square box, the rectangle box, open it up, drag it. If your one looks obviously different and you're kind of thinking, nah man, this thing looks semi-dead, press settings, go to style, and then just play with it. Go to text if you want to name it, and the coordinates, you don't really need to worry about the coordinates for now, to be fair, you get what I'm saying. But that's it for TradingView, really. There's nothing else left on TradingView to worry about. If you want to make the screen fill out, press F11, and if you want to download a picture to send to your mates or send to anybody, then press download or press copy and just send it to WhatsApp or whatever you want to do. That's how most of us send our trading ideas to our peers. Alright then guys, so this is the important step right now, because this is your broker. So this is where you're putting your hard-earned money in order to trade. In order to trade and place a trade, you need a broker. And I've done a lot of research on brokers, because over the years, man, listen, you can get scammed out of a lot of doja and a lot of money. And certain brokers don't want to pay you out once you actually make. It's a circus out there. But yeah, so this is the broker me and my boys have been using. I've made a lot of withdrawals. The customer service is good as well, man. Like, I've had a lot of chats with these guys, man. And you can deposit your money via the bank, where most of these brokers, these ones based in China and based in Brazil and Jamaica and shit, you gotta go through Bitcoin and that, you get what I'm saying? So when you see Bitcoin, you're always thinking sketchy, but this is actually meant to be regulated. I've done my due diligence, and yeah man, it's calm still. So this is what I use. You don't have to use this, but this is what I would recommend. Go on Trustpilot and get the website from there. So the website is icmarkets.com. Be careful, there's a lot of fake ones that's missing words, and just make sure you go on Trustpilot, or I will leave the link in the description somewhere, you know what I mean? Yeah, so once you sign into IC Markets, you should be in there, you get what I'm saying? So it should look something like this, the home, accounts. You will go to accounts and go to demo. Once you go to demo, yeah, go to MT5. The reason being, MT4 is an old version, so you won't be able to use the new. They've got new features where it's just easier. You can just press a button and put your TP there and put your stop loss there. It's just way easier. So MT4 is a thing of the past. I don't even know where they still got it there. You get what I'm saying? But C Trader, we got into that another time. That's where you can attach TradingView, what was just on. You can attach it through here, but the lot sizes and the size of your trades are all, I don't even mess with it myself. Dangerous still. But MT5, yeah man, MT5, download MT5 and then bam, we can do it on the phone or desktop. Yeah, so downloading MT5, you can do it on the desktop, but I would say just do it on the phone, because your phone's you've always gonna have your phone on the go. So if you do get a text in the Discord, you can just bam, boom, boom. You can just quickly just deal with it one time. You don't really want to be rushing home and it's just so long and driving around with your laptop and shit. So yeah, I'll just say download the MetaTrader 5 on the phone. Easy to use, as you're gonna see now. Okay, so you've signed up to the broker now. What you want to do is go to demo accounts or live accounts. It's the same principle. So as you look carefully, you've got MT5 demo with a number. That number is your login. So you keep your hand on that and copy that. And after we do the step I'm about to show you on MetaTrader 5, you would do the same for the password. Keep your hand on that and copy that, if that makes sense. The server IC markets SC demo, that's important as well, so you're gonna want to memorize that. You're gonna want to head over to MT5. Okay, then so now you should be on MT5. You want to go to find broker. You want to press the top button up there, manage accounts, go to the plus sign. You want to go to the plus sign, and then you want to write in IC markets up here, IC markets, this phone's playing games, markets SC, and then click it and then copy and paste on that. Keep your hand on that, keep your hand on the login, paste the number you saw earlier, and then go to your password, copy and paste that, and then just go to login, and you should be logged in. It should log you in nice and smooth, baby. Now that you're logged in, it should look something like this. What you need to do is go to the plus sign next to the pencil on the top right, press that, and if I say to you jump in a trade which is named DE40, you're gonna write DE40. You're gonna click the plus sign, and you're gonna go back, press the arrow backward, and it should be in your list. As you go into your list, press it, go to chart, and now you are where the action lays. So now we've made it to the chart. This is where all the magic happens. So if you look carefully, yeah, you can see that my candles are all black and white, so everything on the screen is black and white. So if you want these settings, you press the black screen, press the this setting button, go down to colors, and these are my colors. So if you pause the video, you can obviously play around with the colors, you know what I mean, but I choose to keep it basic. It just simplifies it for me. It's like, so yeah, you know, in the Discord you're gonna get pictures that look like this. So if you look carefully to the right, you've got numbers on the right, and let's just say I say jump in at 25,097, set a buy limit now. This circle there, if you look carefully, it's a sell limit. When it goes beneath that green line, it's a buy limit. So you always want to go to beneath the green line, sorry, and set it where I say. So if I say 25,036, you look to the side, 25,036, cool. You press the blue button, and once you press it, press place. You can't do it because I can't do it because it's a weekend, the markets are closed. So let's just say you scroll down, you press it, and then boom, Bob's your uncle, you press the blue button, and then that's set. how much you're risking, you press stop loss. If you scroll down the stop loss up and down, you can see the number saying £45. If you want to risk more, you press this button here at the bottom between buy and sell, and you can adjust your lot size. Press that. If you can look at the numbers on the red numbers on the next to the SL sign. Yeah, so if you want to adjust your lot size, just press that button press the button in between the buy and sell there, and you can adjust it. When you're adjusting it, you can see the numbers next to the SL sign fluctuating. Yeah, and if you want to up your lot size, you press the right button, and you can just play around with it like that. And then your TP is where you want to get out, which I'll let you know where to get out in the Discord. If you look carefully, if you put your TP there and you're saying you want to risk a bit more, you up your lot size, and you can see the price fluctuating. Yeah, simple maths. Okay, then to actually move the chart, you can scroll your hand up and down on the right side to change your time frame, which is important because each one of these is a time frame. So basically M1 means 1 minute, so each candle will be 1 minute. We don't mess with that. We mess with H4, H1 and D1. So H1 would mean each candle is 1 minute, 1 hour, sorry, you get what I'm saying. Then a H4 means each candle is 4 hours, and a D1 means each candle is a day. But the higher the time frame, the more official your zones are, these boxes. Do you get what I'm saying? Because like if we say we're taking trades off the daily, let's just say, yeah, then the daily candle has more data than a 15-minute candle. So I feel like the zones just get violated a lot more on the lower time frame. So I always tend to take my trades off the higher time frame, but we get into that at a later date, you know what I mean? Yeah, listen, hard work and dedication, you made it through the video. Hopefully you got the gems, hopefully it was as easy as I think it was, and hopefully you join the Discord to get some of this guapamula, because I'll be real with you, yeah, we've had a good run. We've been hitting every single day, man. Like, I'll be real with you, man. The numbers are through the roof. I'll leave the link below, and the YouTube might be up by the time you watch the video. If not, the YouTube's coming soon, the Instagram's fleeky, we're building that. Let's just get this thing rolling, and yeah, man, I wish us the best in the journey. We're definitely gonna get to the bag.